into the Hall of Fame on September 6, 2009 at Elma Raceway. All of the West Coast drivers wish him the best of luck in his future endeavors and in his retirement from active racing in the West Coast Sprint Car Series. Everyone has admired Rich Leighty greatly, as we will miss him on the active racing circuit. Ladies and gentlemen, please get on your feet and give a big hand to Rich Leighty, 50 years of racing in the Pacific Northwest. Go out on top. He'd love to try to claim victory in this 30-lap West Coast Sprint Car main event. We will start this race from the outside of row number 5. As a matter of fact, the number 11, Rich Leighty.